Hey, hey people, how are you? Ladies and gentlemen, today is one of a beautiful day here in Auckland, New Zealand. But do you know, too many things happen in our beautiful land and our beautiful island of Samoa. Yeah, I know you are a fans of a Papali's program called Tampoua Aile Polako. I will come to you very soon, my dear friends, to let you know whatever happened in Samoa, man. Oh, we got heaps. We got heaps. We got heaps. And I will tell you. But now, God bless. God bless. God bless, my dear friend. Ladies and gentlemen, I will see you very, very soon. Bye bye. Bye. Okay, bye. Please stop, 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 stop.